In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Hostinger Panel. Hostinger's panel is a user-friendly interface that helps manage your web hosting account with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, getting accustomed to this interface is crucial for smooth and efficient website management. Firstly, open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you use Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Hostinger's website is compatible with all major browsers. In the address bar at the top of your browser window, type in hostinger.com and press enter. This will take you to Hostinger's home page. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click it. Upon clicking, the login page will appear, prompting you to enter your email address and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Hostinger account. If you're unsure whether you've entered the correct information, double-check for any typos in your email address or password. A handy tip is to use a password manager to securely store and recall your login details, minimizing errors and saving time. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a convenient Forgot Password link right below the login fields. Click that, and it will guide you through the process of resetting your password, typically through a confirmation email sent to your registered email address. Remember to check your spam or junk mail folder if you don't see it in your regular inbox. After verifying your credentials, press the Login button. This action will take you into the panel dashboard. Here, you'll have access to a variety of tools to manage your domains, emails, websites, and more. It's designed to be intuitive, so spend some time exploring the features available to you. You'll find sections dedicated to web hosting, email management, domain settings, and other tools designed to assist you in managing your website effectively. A quick tip: bookmark the panel login page for quicker access in the future. This will save you the hassle of navigating from the main website each time and ensure you're always one click away from accessing your hosting account. Now, let's address some security practices. Ensure you're logging in over a secure network. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing sensitive information. This practice helps protect your data and maintain the security of your account. Finally, now that you're logged in, remember to log out whenever you finish your session, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. Simply find the logout option in the menu, usually accessible from the top right of the dashboard, to safely exit your account. And there you have it. That's how you log into Hostinger Panel. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, Hostinger's support team is just a click away, ready to assist you. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!